And welcome back to another video, and today's topic we will be talking about best online earning apps in Pakistan in 2022. Online earning apps are basically a way to earn money from internet sources. In this case, owning a website, starting an online business, or utilizing one of the many other web-based purchasing options that are available on the internet. Online earning, on the other hand, can be defined as earnings generated via the use of various internet-based resources like online earning apps. The web increase has likewise made earning money simple. You can acquire through the site, submitting articles to a blog, outsourcing data and research occupation, and alternate opportunities, alternate approaches. Yet, do you know the absolute most important procuring programs in Pakistan that give you cash or on shopping, finishing reviews, messing about, watching records, and significantly more? Do you want to know about the best online work at home in Pakistan without any investment? Then you must watch the entire video, and we will be talking about top 10 apps to earn money online in Pakistan. And the apps are Upwork number 1, Fiverr, Savior, Zark, Lemmy, make money online for free, earn money online 2020, spin and win free cash, Daraz Games, Jito Pesa, Pompak, learn to earn, Google Opinion Rewards. I think Google Opinion Rewards is basically banned in Pakistan, but I don't know very much, but we will continue. Opinion app is Triba. It is not recommended that you conduct your own research before signing up for these apps. It is important to check whether these applications are truly rewarding the user or not. Check out the app's reviews on several platforms to ensure that they are legitimate. And let's continue with our number 1 video, Upwork online earning app. Upwork, formerly known as Odesk, is a freelancing app that is most used and popular in Pakistan. It helps you to earn money online in comfort of your home. Whether you are a student, working housewife, working professional, or an older adult, you can get access to various jobs in your niche. You can also withdraw payments from your local banks with a single click. It is one of the most important source application in Pakistan, as it brings together purchasing managers and consultants from all over the world on a single platform. And that's it for today's video. I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.